In today's video, I would like to introduce you a very nice problem of Czech and Slovak Mathematical Olympiad. Here is the following information. Find all natural numbers n for which the equation, we have this following equation, the reciprocal of x plus the reciprocal of y equals the reciprocal of n, has exactly 5 solutions, okay, x and y. In fact, this problem is given in opposite way. They give us the 5 solutions as integer numbers. We are going to find n, okay. As you know, the Mathematical Olympiad, some of them are hard, but some of them aren't, but they are very tricky, okay. Always they try to make you the tricks while working on the problem, okay. The hint that I'm trying to give to this problem, you are going to find a trick to make the factorization of this equation and start solving regularly this equation for x and y, and make the combination between n and these variables x and y while solving the equation. So always you have to consider the cases. So go ahead, pause this video if you would like to give it a try to this problem. When you come back to see the full solution, okay. So let's get into the solution. The first observation for this problem, so we have the symmetry here because x and y are playing the same role in this case, okay. Without loss of generality, x and y is a solution and y and x is a solution as well. So the second thing that I'm going to mention here, x not equal to 0 and y not equal to 0 and n not equal to 0, because all of them are located in the denominator. The second step, I'm going to solve this equation. We have this equation 1 over x plus 1 over y equals 1 over n. So I have the sum of these inverse terms equals one inverse term. So I'm trying to find a trick how to factor this one, okay. Let's simplify this one by multiplying side by side. Is giving us y plus x in numerator and give us the product xy in denominator equals the reciprocal of 1 equals the reciprocal of n, okay. So this one, we get n is multiplied by y plus n is multiplied by x equals x is multiplied by y, okay. So I'm going to take these two terms to the right hand side of this equation. Is giving us minus ny minus nx plus xy equals 0, okay. And by applying the small trick and play around with these terms, I will find the factorization. X minus n is multiplied by y minus n, okay. So I'm going to factor out this one to make sure you have the same terms that I have here. X is multiplied by x, which is here, which is good. X is multiplied by minus n, which is minus x, which we are good. And minus n is multiplied by y is here, is good. But we need minus n is multiplied by minus n, which is plus n square, which we don't have here. So we need to subtract this one, minus n square, okay. So the whole thing equal to 0. By taking n square to the right hand side of this equation, I will end with the expression x minus n is multiplied by y minus n equals n square, okay. Now you have a nice expression here. I will solve this equation by taking two possibilities, okay. The first possibility, as we know, this term equals n is multiplied by n, okay. I will have two possibilities here. The first possibility, I will have x minus n equals n, and the second equation I will have y minus n equals n. So the second possibility, I will get x minus n equals 1, but y minus n equals n square. So y minus n is taking the whole thing, n square, but the first one is taking number 1. So I'm going to solve these two equations to see what's given us here. By solving this one and make the difference between these equations, I will get y minus x equal to 0, because n minus n equal to 0, okay. So this one equivalent y equals to x. So I'm going to replace this one into the original equation to find x and y in terms of n. Okay, this one is giving us 1 over x plus 1 over x, because I'm replacing y with x, equals 1 over n. 1 plus x plus 1 over x plus 1 over x is 2 over x, equals 1 over n. Okay, so x equals 2n. Now we found x equals y equals 2n for the all n as a natural number, but not included 0, because you have n must be different than 0. This is the first solution that I found. Let's move on to work on the second equation. For this equation, I'm going to make the difference of these two equations. I will get y minus x equals n squared minus 1. This one minus this one is giving us y minus x equal n squared minus 1. So this one, I will have a product of n minus 1 is multiplied by n plus 1. Okay, this equation system is giving us this expression, so I'm going to work on this expression now. So I will have two possibilities again here. As we know, y minus x is the same as y minus x is multiplied by 1. Okay, equals n minus 1 is multiplied by n plus 1. So I will have two possibilities here. I will have y minus x equals n minus 1, and number 1 equals n plus 1. The second possibility, I will have y minus x equals n plus 1, and number 1 it will equal to n minus 1. Okay, so for these possibilities, if you take a look carefully at this equation, we have 1 equals n plus 1. If I'm going to cancel out number 1 from both sides, I will get n equal to 0, which is impossible, because we have n must be not equal to 0, because it's located in denominator of this equation. Okay, so this choice is ruled out of these possibilities. So I will be left only with this expression. I will be left only with this possibility. Okay, so this one, I'm going to solve this one. This one is giving us n equals 2 by taking minus 1 to the left hand side of this equation, and this one by replacing number 2 with its expression, I will get 2 plus 1 equals 3. Okay, by replacing n with number 2. Now I will have this expression. I will have y equals, by taking minus x to the right hand side of this equation, I will get y equals 3 plus x. Y equals x plus 3. Okay, with n equals number 2. I'm taking this value, I'm insert it into either equation, this equation or this one, because this one is coming from this one. I'm choosing this one because this one is easier to calculate. I'm going to insert this one, into y. I will get x minus n is multiplied by y minus n equals n squared. Okay, this one is giving us x minus n is multiplied by x plus 3 plus minus n, okay, equals n squared. Okay, I'm going to distribute this one. This one is giving me x is multiplied, is given by distributing this one, is giving me x squared plus 3x minus nx minus nx again minus 3n plus n squared equals n squared. So n squared will be cancelled out from both sides. I'm going to simplify this expression. I will get x squared plus 3x minus nx, which is minus 2nx, okay, minus 3n equals 0. So I'm going to replace n with its value. I will get x squared plus 3x minus 4x minus 6 equal to 0. Okay, I will be ended with a new expression, x squared minus x minus 6 equal to 0. Okay, I'm taking this form quadratic equation and these two values at the top and continue with our problem. Okay, so in the last board I was working on this equation and came up with this expression. I'm going to solve for x to find x and y. Okay, as we know, this is form quadratic equation. I'm going to solve for x. This one, the first solution, you have x equals minus b, which is 1. This one is giving us minus b squared, which is 1, minus 24, which is 24 plus 1, which is 25. Okay, is divided by 2. The second solution, I will have 1 minus square root of 25 divided by 2. Okay, so the first solution, I will have x1, square root of 25 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 divided by 2, which is 3. The second solution, I will have 1 minus 5 minus 4 divided by 2, which is minus 2. Okay, now I'm going to find y. Y by replacing this value into this, I will have y1 equals 3 plus 3, which is 6, and y2 I will get minus 2 plus 3, which is 1. I will have two pairs solution. I get first one x1, xy is a solution, and yx is a solution because of symmetry reason. So I will get two following, I will have four solutions here. So I will get x equals 3 and y equals 6. By symmetry, I will get x equals 6 and y equals 3. For the second solution, for the x2, I will get x equals minus 2 and y equals 1. For the symmetry reason, I will get x equals 1 and y equals minus 2. So the condition that I have 5 solutions exactly. I found 1, 2, 3, 4. So plus this one, this is a solution as well. We already find this one. When we have x equal to y, we have this solution. When we have, so all the solutions that I found x equal to 3 and y equal to 6. I found x equals to n and y equals to n, with n is a natural number. So from here to here, when we found all the solutions when we have n equals 2. Okay, and when we have x equals to y, we found this solution. Okay, if you have x equal to y, so any value of n, it will work here. Okay, so that means verifying this equation. When we have x different than y, we will get n equal to 2 to have these solutions. Okay, I have done this problem. If you are interested in watching this one, don't forget to support us with your like and subscribe. If you have any question or suggestion, just put it in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.